Ever wonder why you can scroll your phone for 40 minutes without blinking, but starting a 5-minute task feels like climbing a mountain? Yeah, your brain's not broken. You're just using the wrong trick. Here's the productivity hack that actually works. Tell yourself you only need to do the task for 60 seconds, just 1 minute. Your brain loves small things, like one more snack, one more episode, and somehow one more TikTok turning into 27. So use that against it. Set a timer for 60 seconds and start the task. Replying to one email, cleaning one corner, writing one sentence. And here's the magic. Once you start, your brain switches modes. The hardest part wasn't the task, it was starting it. Most people wait for motivation. You're tricking your brain into entering action mode. That's the real cheat code. Try it today. 1 minute. That's it. And if you stop after a minute, still a win. But don't be surprised when you keep going. Because momentum greater than motivation every single time.